This right here is one of my most favorite Thanksgiving sides. I'm gonna make some cranberry sauce in this one. Turn into beautiful cranberry sauce just like this. So first let's go over the cranberries. If you can find them fresh, which you probably can, they're pretty much at every store. I'm gonna hide the brand because it's no free brand deals. This is what you're looking for, just this little bag of the fresh guys right here. Keep them refrigerated. Also, something that you'll note is the cranberry, it's very firm. When you cut into it, this is what it looks like. So we need to really cook this down for quite a bit. So now the first thing in this pot is going to be 2 cups of water, about half a cup of honey, your choice of honey, and then brown sugar or maple sugar if you have it from the Spiceology stuff. I like some star anise in mine, and just a touch of vanilla. Then of course flaky salt, come on. Now when it's brought up to a simmer, here's something you'll notice. They're gonna start to pop. Just so you know, when they pop, they're good to go. You can pickle them and they're good. But since we're making a cranberry sauce, I want to take this farther, make it a little more reduced, thicker, nicer. Now while this is reducing, I'm just going to talk about what else you could do. You could create some sort of pickling liquid. So say you could do like rice wine or apple cider vinegar mixed with some brown sugar, maybe some spices, maybe like some mustard, maybe some thyme, something like that. And you could just boil them in that. And then once they pop, just go ahead and immediately cool them off in the fridge. Then you'll have some nice little cranberries pop in your mouth sort of texture for a nice dish, like maybe for a steak or a chicken, something like that. Just something to keep in mind. Turn into beautiful cranberry sauce just like this. Now you can go ahead and store this in any container in the fridge and it'll hold pretty much for months, honestly. It's cranberry sauce. It's nice, it's preserved, it's in sugar. So now guys, just let me know what other Thanksgiving recipes that you'd like me to tackle next. This is just a really simple side. If you want, I can even show you how to make that really hard gelatinous cranberry sauce that comes in the can. That's not really my favorite. I prefer this one, more spreadable sauce. Let me know. I'm gonna probably go over turkey next. I'll probably do like turkey fried tenders. We'll see.